Welcome to part 2 from the top most important general knowledge. Let's start with question 1. Which animals breathes through the skin? Fish. Question 2. Litmus, used in laboratory, is typically obtained from green algae. Question 3. The computer monitor is which type of device? Output. Question 4. The Manas Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state of India? Rajasthan. Question 5. Film and TV Institute of India is located at Pune. Question 6. The ozone layer restricts ultraviolet radiation. Question 7. Sumit Reddy is associated with which sports? Badminton. Question 8. Name the Nobel gas which is used to fill the balloons used in weather forecasting. Helium. Question 9. The method of pollination by water is termed as hydrophily. Question 10. Tissues are made up of cells. Question 11. The conductivity of a superconductor is infinite. Question 12. Indian state that has the largest number of cotton textile mills? Madhya Pradesh. Question 13. The capital of Syria is Damascus. Question 14. Widening of river valley takes place due to lateral erosion. Question 15. The basic parameters of India's foreign policy were laid down by Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question 16. In India, planned economy is based on mixed economy system. Question 17. The largest blood vessel in the human body is artery. Question 18. Name the famous king of Kushan dynasty. Kanishka. Question 19. Who authored India's national song? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question 20. Coral reefs in India can be found in Trivandrum. Question 21. For seeing objects at the surface of water from a submarine underwater, the instrument used is periscope. Question 22. Who has the right to transfer any case anywhere in India? Supreme Court. Question 23. The Exim Bank of India was established in 1982. Question 24. Red Square is considered as the central square place of which city? Moscow, Russia. Question 25. Which agency is responsible for estimation of poverty in India? Planning Commission, now called Niti Aayog. Question 26. Who has the authority of proclaim emergency in the states? The President. Question 27. Devaluation means Lowering of the value of one currency in comparison of some foreign currency. Question 28. The Constitution of India is federal with a strong centralizing tendency. Question 29. The place where bankers meet and settle their mutual claims and accounts is known as clearing house. Question 30. World Population Day is celebrated on 6 July. Question 31. From which country did Belgium break away to form an independent nation? The Netherlands. Question 32. The oldest development financial institution of India? IDBI. Question 33. Development expenditure of the central government does not include grant to states. Question 34. In terms of area, which is the smallest continent? Australia. Question 35. The Sea of Tranquility can be found in Moon. Question 36. The hill range that separates the state of Manipur from the state of Nagaland is known as Bar-Rail Hills. Question 37. Khilafat movement was organized to protest against the injustice done to Turkey. Question 38. Constitution Day is observed in India on November 26. Question 39. What was the name of the ashram built by Mahatma Gandhi near Johannesburg in South Africa? Tolstoy Farm. Question 40. The most common animal figure found at all the Harappan sites is Unicorn bull. Question 41. The name Buddha means enlightened. Question 42. A tree's age can be found by measuring its girth. Question 43. An element that does not occur in nature but can be produced artificially is plutonium. Question 44. Which natural sugar is found in the milk? Lactose. Question 45. Which gas also known as laughing gas? Nitrous oxide. Question 46. Which scientist discovered the radioactive element radium? Marie Curie. Question 47. The UNESCO's Prix Jules Verne Prize has been given to which serials of Doordarshan? Eyewitness. Question 48. Fridays for Future is an international movement of school students started by which activist? Greta Thunberg. Question 49. Who invented the smallpox vaccine? Edward Jenner. Question 50. Wadia Institute of Himalayan Geology is located at Dehradun. Question 51. Ajanta-Ellora caves are situated near Aurangabad. Question 52. Sun Temple is situated at Konark. Question 53. Who did The Rock beat to win his first WWE title? Mankind. Question 54. Who is the highest wicket taker in Test cricket? Muthaiya Muralitharan. Question 55. Who was the first Indian to win an individual medal in Olympics? K.D. Jadhav. Question 56. The creator of Sherlock Holmes was Arthur Conan Doyle. Question 57. Who among the world leaders has become the first one to meet Japan's new emperor? Donald Trump. Question 58. Google announced suspension of its services with which technology giant? Huawei. Question 59. What is the name of farthest place in universe where NASA spacecraft has recently found evidence of water? Ultima Thule. Question 60. Prem Singh Gole took oath as the Chief Minister of which state? Sikkim. Question 61. Who became the first Indian bowler to take an international wicket with a pink ball in Test match held in November 2019 in Kolkata? Ishant Sharma. Question 62. The Chief Justice of the Meghalaya High Court who took charge in November 2021 is Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjeev Banerjee. Question 63. The Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region, DONOR, was formed in 2001. Question 64. What does the 19 in COVID-19 refer to? The coronavirus and the disease it causes we identified in 2019. Question 65. The Mega Health Insurance Scheme, MHIS, was launched in the year 2012. Question 66. World Environment Day is celebrated every year on the 5th of June. Question 67. The Eastern West Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya was created in 2021. Question 68. What is the full form of HTTPS in computer networking? Hypertext Transport Protocol Secure. Question 69. The Four Noble Truths expresses the basic orientation of Buddhism. Question 70. The size of an image is always smaller than an object in a convex mirror.